Hey everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful, time-saving Excel tools. Today, I'm excited to introduce a tool that's been highly requested, our USPS Address Checker, built entirely in Excel. If you've ever needed to clean, validate, and format mailing addresses for USPS compliance, this tool is exactly what you've been looking for. The USPS Address Checker is perfect for anyone dealing with incomplete, inconsistent, or messy address data. Whether you're preparing direct mail, managing shipping logistics, or keeping a clean customer database, this tool helps ensure your address are standardized, accurate, and USPS-friendly. It also works for addresses worldwide, making it ideal for businesses operating across borders. Like all our tools, it runs 100% in Excel. No installations, no coding required. After downloading the tool, simply open the file, paste or enter your list of addresses, and click Run. Within seconds, the tool will verify, correct, and format each address. You'll get a fully formatted address in one cell, along with separated fields for street, city, state, zip code, and country. It even returns latitude and longitude for each address, which is perfect for mapping or analytics work. The tool is powered by the Google Maps API, so you'll need to generate a free API key to use it. Don't worry, we've included a step-by-step video to walk you through it in just 5 minutes. Whether you're validating 10 addresses or 10,000, the USPS Address Checker handles it with ease. It's designed for bulk processing and delivers accurate results fast, saving you hours of manual cleanup and eliminating costly errors in shipping or data entry. For over 16 years, we've helped more than 7,500 businesses and professionals streamline their workflows with our Excel-based tools. With over 130 five-star reviews on Google, the feedback we receive every week speaks for itself. Our users love how efficient and reliable these tools are, and we're proud to keep building solutions that truly make a difference. We also get emails from customers who tell us how our tools have saved them hours of manual work and helped them become more efficient. You can download the USPS Address Checker using the link in the description. If you need help getting started or want a custom version, we're here to help. Call us, send an email, or use the live chat on our website. And yes, you'll be talking to a real person, not a bot. Most likely, you'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the brain behind Excel Distance Calculators. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Excel tools and tutorials. See you in the next one.